Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to customize your keyboard with the Onn TV. So let's get straight into it. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. We're going to hop over to Quick Settings, where we could find the All Settings button right here. So click on it, and now we're going to navigate down to System. Under System, click on System to go to About, Date and Time, Language, and finally Keyboard. Now click on the keyboard. I'm going to see the current keyboard is Gboard. Now you understand, if you use Android for some time, or if you have any experience with Android at all, you understand Android has a lot of customization. So you could have whatever keyboard you choose. You could download all these really cringe or all these spicy, nice looking keyboards, and they'll appear here. So your current keyboard is a default Gboard. That's why you find it right there. So you could alter Gboard settings right here. Click on Gboard settings, and you're going to have the language. You could move from QWERTY to AZERTY. You could customize the language right here and move from English American to English Canadian. You could even change the language totally to French or whatever you choose. But to be able to customize the keyboard with all of these language preferences, you have to disable the first function that says use system languages. So by default, this is turned on. If you turn it off, like I've just done, then you could navigate down to other languages and click on them, and your keyboard will turn into that language. Alternatively, you could just keep the system language and you choose the keyboard based on whatever system language you chose. The only recommendation I would make is to ensure that the system language you chose is specific. Either if it's English, maybe UK English or US English or Canadian English. So when that's done, you'll be able to change the language. If we step back out, you can see that the terms and services, privacy and policies, open source licenses, and user statistics are here. You could choose to turn that off if you do not want to share user statistics of your keyboard. Moving on, I'll show you how to manage keyboards. So right here you have all available keyboards. So these are available virtual keyboards. You can toggle on and off. This Google voice typing is automatic. You could turn it on if you won't use it, or turn it off if you will not use it. And the virtual remote keyboard is also here. It's toggled off, but if you have a virtual remote, do well to toggle that on for usability. So those are the three main options with the keyboard. I'll end the tutorial here. If you found it insightful, support the channel with a like and subscribe for more content like this.